Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the existing meeting in Outlook. This ensures you modify the scheduled Webex session rather than creating a duplicate. Once you open the invite, verify the Webex add-in panel appears. If it does, you can change time fields safely. Make sure the meeting organizer role is assigned to you or you have edit rights. Now locate the start and end time pickers in the event header and prepare to update them to the new desired times. Change the start and end times directly in Outlook because the calendar controls are the authoritative source for the meeting slot. Once done, examine the Webex add-in panel. It should reflect the new times automatically. If not, click Refresh or reapply to push changes to Webex. Also confirm the event time zone remains correct. Mismatched zones cause confusion for remote attendees. Make edits to recurrence only after confirming After updating times and verifying the Webex panel shows the new schedule, click Send Update so Outlook pushes notifications and Webex updates host and attendee entries. Then open Webex, web or app, to confirm the meeting slot changed there as well. This double check prevents missed connections. If the new time doesn't appear in Webex, try saving again, toggling the add-in, or recreate the Webex meeting and paste details. Make sure to tell attendees about the fallback plan so no one misses the meeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.